Alrighty, hello everyone. I ordered a camera, a used camera, off of a website. I'll link it down below. I think it was called KH something. I've been using just like my phone camera, and I want to up level my technology. So I ordered a real camera, a DSLR. I think it's, I don't remember if I got a Nikon one or a Canon one. Like one night I just spent like 3 hours like Googling what all those letters meant. And you know how cameras are like the XTI 777 Bach da da da. I don't know what any of those meant, so I had to Google it. And yeah, I just like taking pictures. I want to be someone else's muse, but maybe like draw me, because I'm not photogenic, so don't take pictures of me. But I do really love taking pictures of other people. So yeah. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of photo shoots and stuff like that, because I feel like my work is amazing, as everyone should feel that way about their own work. So yes, this is what it looks like. This is just a little confirmation or whatever. So I just got the Nikon Nikkor 35 to 105 millimeter lens, macro late AF lens. And it came, I think it's supposed to come with caps and a hood, so that's good. And then I got the Nikon D90 DSLR camera body. So here it is. Bubble wrap. Definitely gonna save this bubble wrap because it'll be useful one day, I think. So it looks like I got a, in here, this looks like a battery to me. Yeah, it's the Nikon, so it's Nikon battery pack. And this is just the battery charger thingy. Just like that. Very nice. I'm actually gonna charge it now because I assume that it's not charged. Put that in, and I have a cord right behind you. So I'll plug that in too. And there she goes. Now she's charging. Okay. So camera body and camera. Ah, this is exciting. I literally waited like 2 whole days to do this because I wanted to record the unboxing just because I'm annoying. I really appreciate them wrapping this up tight and nice. Highly appreciative of that. All right, here we go. And just a reminder, this is used, so, but, you know, used in a like new way, I guess. All right, so minimal scratching on the screen. Yeah, this literally looks like new, like dead ass. Look, my new camera. This is the lens, and this is a 35 to 105 millimeter macro lens. So I think this, a macro lens? I forget what those are good for, but I remember reading the description and being like, yeah, that's what I need. So yeah. Oh, of like landscape shots and like big shots and maybe portraits, I think, because it's a 35. Something. I don't know. I'm trying to like act like I know things camera wise, but yeah. This lens feels so expensive and fragile. So this is what she looks like. I'm so grateful. So it looks used. You can see this right here. It's like a little scratched off. Not too bad though. The rest of it looks amazing. No scratches, no nothing. So I'm very excited for this. Look at that. No scratches at all. She's beautiful. Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ugh. Wow. I'm gonna have to like learn how to use this, literally.
There she goes.
Oh, there's no battery in there. I'm like trying to use it. But yeah, she feels heavy. Now I'm just staring at it. Okay, that's it. This is what it looks like. My beautiful baby. I'm very grateful and very, 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 very happy that I was able to purchase this. Here it is, guys. Nikon AF Nikkor 35 to 105 millimeter lens, and then just the Nikon D90 DSLR body. Comment down below if you think this is a good combo or if I should have gotten something else. I kind of, you know, I don't know much about cameras, but I did do a little bit of research, and this is what I ended up getting for my personal use. So yes.